Hi everyone, my name is Bruce Warritz. Welcome. These objects on the surface of the moon look alike. They are called craters. Why are these in particularly just under Mare Imbrium, which is where the supposed Apollo 11 landing site was, right there, the bottom of the blue there. So look, I'm not done. So this particular area has these objects with a perfectly round circle light around it, some kind of light source. There are more objects on the surface, more craters on the surface that are alike. I've been showing it throughout 2 years. Here's a UFO. One or two craters that are the same side by side, even big massive ones. We're finding UFOs on the surface, lights that are going to and from the UFOs. This is all my research. Those of you just arriving, why am I saying that? Is that, I don't use NASA photos. When I do, which it's happened even a couple of days ago that I have used the NASA photo, I always mention it, and it's to do a comparison with my photos. This is Copernicus crater. It's all my research done with my telescopes and my cameras, and trying to break through that veil, get under the veil. Bob Lazar, happy birthday, brother. If those of you who don't know Bob Lazar, you have to check him up. It's Bob's birthday. I don't know if it's today or if it was yesterday. John Lear was wishing him a happy birthday. Another person you guys got to check out, John Lear. This is why I'm doing this, guys. Bob Lazar and John Lear opened my eyes to a lot of possibilities that everyone knows now, and it's a new thing, right? Like it's been around for years that everyone seems to just know that secret projects could exist, right? Well, that came from these guys, Bob Lazar, John Lear, and a bunch of other amazing ufologists and truth seekers, that are trying to expose the truth and show the world what's up there. But many skeptical people still, again today, I can only imagine how many there were back in the days when they started doing all of this. Area 51. Bob Lazar used to work there. An area 51 in the desert where it's supposedly holding UFOs and UFO technology. Smaller crafts were there. Bob Lazar talked all about it. And, I think it's absolutely amazing. John Lear is saying that there could be an atmosphere up on the surface of the moon, and I'm finding all these colors now, and even clouds. Let me tell you, if it's just that they're mining up there or smoke or something, I think not, because it's a very heavy cloud cover. Do you guys hear about the news? There's a space agency, European space agency, they want to start mining on the moon. So it's going to come down to that. Whatever's being done up there, well, probably if we ever get the right to go up there, we're going to have to do whatever they're doing up there, and that's, I think, mining the resources on the moon. Whoever's up there could possibly be a breakaway civilization, or maybe possibly even someone alien. Yes, tractors are driving by here today, guys. Hey, it is crazy, the snow here. Second snowstorm, 30 centimeters a day ago, and now I woke up this morning, another 10 fallen. They're announcing freezing rain for tonight. I have errands to do tonight only. I hope I make it back. It's getting pretty bad down here. The weather's fine now. It's way up there as compared to the minus 33 it was a couple of days ago. But guys, check this out. This was on a cold night, January 17th, with the new Nikon D850. So much we're going to be able to see. I follow that Terminator line, the black line that you see there on the right as it moves across the moon, as the moon gets smaller and becomes half moon, etc. That is elevating the surface for us. That's why you're seeing elevated structures right now. It's because it's always along a black line. Whenever I show you guys elevated structures, you are always going to see that black line there, because that's what's elevating the surface for us, showing us quite a show of all the details that are on the surface. So now with a 46 megapixel camera and, upgrading to always a better quality to be able to see that fine detail. Not everyone understands what megapixels are for. Not everyone needs them with their camera. If you're taking pictures, it depends exactly what you're doing. It depends if you're doing fine detail, if you're doing macro, if you're doing small, zoom up, close up shots, far away shots. But for what I'm doing on the moon, I really need that detail by slowing the footage down and getting as much quality and high resolution, ultra high definition in the image, so that we could slow down the oscillation and see the structuring or objects, natural or not, on the surface. Because unless we slow it down, the moon is often always oscillating just so much. Thanks for watching, everyone. This is going to be a nice close-up video. Again, I'm doing research on and off with the UFOs. There'll be some more coming up soon, and I'll get another video up tonight for you guys. Thanks for the support, everyone. Welcome. Mark Edwards, also known as Metalhead. Guys, this is a guy's been following me since the beginning, and he contributed to the channel. Thanks a lot, man. I love you for it.